What's up, everybody? So it's about 5:30 almost on July 8th, but got a pretty bad flood in Ruidoso. So up the river from here, there was a whole house that was washed down. I'll see if I can find that video and put it on here. But yeah, if you guys can, keep Ruidoso in prayer. Through these times, through the rain season and everything. So I think this is I think it went higher than last time. All those windows and everything busted out over there. River was pretty much all the way up, probably right here. Yep. That was a bummer. Well, tried to go make it up to what's it called, Upper Canyon, but they got it all closed off. They got the roads closed off. They're trying to clear it out and everything over here. Yep. So hopefully everybody's okay. Wow, how far the water came up right there. The house is totally gone over there. I knew there was a house there, there was a house there. But this is where I do a lot of yard work and do work in Ruidoso with my neighbors, and we love it here. And yeah, I used to do work down there. Doesn't look the same no more. I can keep walking up and seeing the aftermath of this. So it's crazy. Sad. Wow. This is crazy. There's a video on Facebook. So downshift is right here. There was a house, a whole house floating down right here, where you guys can see. This didn't, man, amazing what water can do. Wow. I wonder if some of that debris right there is that house. Wow, that's how far the water went up. Pretty much that high. All the way across. There's a hot tub over there. But that house was hitting these trees and everything right here. So downshift, the balcony over here is where they were filming that house coming down. Wow. Hopefully everybody's okay. A lot of work to do still. Well, I'm gonna keep making my way down toward down the river, and but yeah, like I said, if you guys can keep Ruidoso in prayer, and it's a beautiful town, awesome place. But yeah, just keep praying. And we like rain, but man, when it comes to this type of rain, that's dangerous. But yeah, I'll see what else I can get. Just sad, most of all, if anything, to see people's homes be damaged by the floods. But yep. Alright, I'll see you guys later. There's Gavilan Canyon baseball field over there. Really flooded out. I just came in to check on my cousin, my aunt, my family. They're all okay, but the house got pretty flooded out, so it's a bummer. That's how high the water was right here to the trees. So it's wet right there. There was a shed right here, but that's gone. All that debris over there. Yep. Oh yeah, that water was pretty high. You could see where it was on the trees. Yeah.
What a mess.
even realize there was a whole shipping container there. Wow. Very cool.